What color's this next leaf gonna be, Kita?
Blue.
Yellow. Where does yellow go?
Yeah.
In the yellow container.
Okay.
Yellow.
Go.
Do you have a green leaf? Show me the green one first. No leaf.
No leaf.
It's broken.
All done?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what you did here. All this hard work.
Oh, my gate.
Wow.
Oh,
Green, yellow, red.
Oh,
Oh, how about blue? Blue could be for anything extra, maybe. You want to find something blue.
Yeah, she wants to go to the playground then.
Green.
What color
Can you
is it?
say green?
Yeah.
Green. Red.
Blue.
Yellow. Green. Purple.
You did great,
And
honey.
blue? We don't have any blue
You did
leaves.
wonderful.
Wow.
Okay, you can go to the playground for a little while. I'll hold hands with you, honey.
Mommy.
Yes, I love you.